Hello. We are working today in a Whirlpool washer top load machine. As you can see, the machine is running right now. I have an extra door latch to put it in the fridge so we can open it and see what is happening. And in this case, the machine is acting like it is washing. So if you can hear, you can hear the machine is moving, is agitating, right? But the agitator doesn't move. As you can see, it doesn't move. So let's work on that. Let's cancel. Let's drain the water. Then let's remove the cap. Then inside you're gonna see 11 millimeters screw, which I have a long extension. Then we have a problem. As you can see, the washer spins, but nothing happens. So what you can do is go down here. So if you don't have an extra hand, you can do this. Let me show you. You have a zip tie. You can zip tie the belt. You know it's hard to do it with one hand. Let me put it here. So I go to zip tie the belt, so around the belt. You see? Then I tied it pretty good.